Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. Today I'm going to show you how to create an account on the xPortal app step by step. So let's get started. Now download and install the app on your device. I already have it installed on my device, so let's open it. Okay, here you'll see two options, create wallet and restore wallet. Tap on create wallet to start fresh. Now tap on create passcode. So this passcode will be used to unlock your wallet. Choose something that is easier for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Rewrite the passcode to confirm it. Selecting a certain community can be a crucial step. For now, I'll just continue with xPortal. Now tap on enter xPortal. So if you lose your passcode to your wallet, you could lose access to your wallet forever. So write it down and store it somewhere safe. And that's it. You have successfully created your xPortal account. Now you can send, receive, and explore crypto and Web3 experiences right from your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.